Starship Flight 7, SpaceX assembles Colossal rocket for next big test. SpaceX has once again pushed the boundaries of space exploration by assembling the world's largest and most powerful rocket for the highly anticipated Starship Flight 7. This milestone marks a significant step forward in humanity's journey toward interplanetary travel, as the Starship system undergoes rigorous testing to prove its capabilities for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. A historic engineering feat. The Starship rocket system comprises two fully reusable stages, the Starship spacecraft itself and the massive Super Heavy booster. Standing at a towering height of 394 feet, 120 meters, when fully stacked, the rocket is designed to carry both crew and cargo to distant destinations. SpaceX engineers have meticulously assembled the components at the company's Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. The assembly process involved precision maneuvers using a massive crane to carefully stack the Starship atop the Super Heavy booster. Starship Flight 7 represents the culmination of years of development and iterative testing. Previous flights have focused on various aspects of the system, including high-altitude maneuvers, landing techniques, and static fire tests of the Raptor engines. For Flight 7, the focus will be on a fully integrated test, with both stages working in unison to validate the rocket's performance in real-world conditions. Key objectives for Starship Flight 7. This test flight has several critical objectives. Integrated launch and separation. The Super Heavy booster will power the initial ascent before separating from the Starship spacecraft. Engineers aim to collect data on the separation process to ensure reliability in future missions. Orbital test. Starship is expected to reach orbital velocity, a first for the system if successful. This will test the spacecraft's thermal protection system and its ability to withstand the extreme conditions of re-entry. Controlled descent and landing. SpaceX plans to test Starship's maneuvering capabilities during descent and assess the feasibility of a soft landing in a designated area. This will further refine the vehicle's reusability. Challenges and innovations. SpaceX has faced numerous challenges in developing the Starship system, from engine design complexities to regulatory hurdles. The Raptor engines, which power both the booster and spacecraft, are among the most advanced in the world, utilizing a full-flow staged combustion cycle to achieve high efficiency and thrust. Flight 7 will test the engine's performance under demanding conditions, including firing all 33 Raptor engines on the Super Heavy booster simultaneously. In addition to technical challenges, SpaceX has worked closely with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to secure necessary approvals for the test flight. Environmental considerations have also been addressed, as the company continues to refine its operations at the Starbase facility. Preparations leading up to Flight 7. In the months leading up to Starship Flight 7, SpaceX conducted a series of preparatory steps to ensure the mission's success. These included static fire tests of the Raptor engines on both the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft. Engineers meticulously inspected each component to identify and resolve potential issues, while simulation tests provided valuable insights into the system's performance under various scenarios. The assembly of the rocket itself was a complex operation, requiring the coordination of hundreds of workers and state-of-the-art equipment. The stacking of Starship atop the Super Heavy booster is not only a technical achievement but also a visual representation of SpaceX's commitment to innovation. The fully assembled rocket dominates the landscape at the Starbase facility, drawing comparisons to iconic moments in space history, such as the Saturn V launches during NASA's Apollo program. Looking back, lessons from previous flights. Starship Flight 7 builds upon the successes and lessons learned from earlier tests. Previous Starship prototypes demonstrated the spacecraft's ability to perform high-altitude maneuvers, including the dramatic belly flop descent and controlled landing. Although not all tests ended perfectly, each provided critical data that informed design improvements. For example, early test flights revealed issues with the Raptor engine's reliability and the spacecraft's heat shield performance. SpaceX's iterative approach, designing, testing, and refining, allowed the company to address these challenges effectively. The Super Heavy booster has also undergone its own series of tests, including static fires and structural evaluations, to prepare for its role in Flight 7. Implications for space exploration. Starship Flight 7 is more than just a test, it is a stepping stone toward SpaceX's ambitious goals. The Starship system is a cornerstone of NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence there. Additionally, SpaceX founder and CEO Elon Musk envisions using Starship to build a self-sustaining colony on Mars, ensuring the long-term survival of humanity. The potential applications of the Starship system extend beyond human spaceflight. Its massive cargo capacity and reusability make it an ideal platform for deploying large satellite constellations, transporting scientific instruments, and even enabling point-to-point travel on Earth. By reducing the cost of access to space, Starship could unlock new opportunities for scientific research, commercial ventures, and international collaboration. The global impact of Flight 7. The anticipation surrounding Starship Flight 7 has captured the world's attention. Space enthusiasts, scientists, and industry leaders are eagerly awaiting the outcome, recognizing the potential impact on the future of space exploration. The test flight will be streamed live, allowing millions of viewers to witness history in the making. The global space community has expressed both excitement and cautious optimism. While the challenges of developing such a revolutionary system are immense, the potential rewards are equally significant. Success would not only validate SpaceX's approach but also inspire a new generation of engineers, scientists, and dreamers to pursue careers in space exploration. A new era of space exploration. As SpaceX prepares for this monumental test, the world watches with bated breath, hoping to see another leap forward in humanity's quest to explore the cosmos. Whether Flight 7 ends in success or provides valuable lessons for improvement, it will undoubtedly be a momentous occasion in the ongoing story of space exploration. Starship Flight 7 is not just about testing hardware, it is about testing the limits of human ingenuity and ambition. It represents a bold vision for the future, one in which humanity becomes a multiplanetary species. With each step forward, SpaceX brings us closer to realizing that vision, proving that the stars are not as distant as they once seemed. Expanding the vision, a path to Mars and beyond. Beyond its technical achievements, the Starship program embodies a transformative vision for the future of humanity. Elon Musk has often emphasized that becoming a multiplanetary species is critical to ensuring the long-term survival of humanity. The successful implementation of the Starship system could lay the groundwork for sustainable living on Mars, including the development of habitats, resource utilization systems, and advanced life support technologies. The Starship design also opens the door to revolutionary concepts in space travel. One such idea is the deployment of massive orbital infrastructure, including space stations, research laboratories, and even space-based solar power arrays. These innovations could dramatically change the way we think about energy production, communication, and planetary defense. Collaboration and inspiration. The global nature of space exploration is another critical aspect of the Starship program. SpaceX's efforts have inspired a wave of international collaboration and competition, driving advancements in rocket technology worldwide. From the European Space Agency's Ariane program to China's ambitious space initiatives, the ripple effects of SpaceX's progress are evident across the globe. Moreover, the excitement generated by Starship Flight 7 has ignited a renewed public interest in space exploration. Educational programs and outreach efforts surrounding the test flight aim to inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. By showcasing the possibilities of human achievement, SpaceX continues to capture the imagination of millions. Conclusion: a defining moment in history. As the countdown to Starship Flight 7 begins, it is clear that this test represents more than just a technical milestone. It is a defining moment in the history of space exploration, with the potential to shape the future of humanity's presence in the cosmos. Whether the mission achieves all its objectives or provides valuable lessons for future attempts, its impact will resonate for years to come. With its eyes set on the stars, SpaceX is not just building rockets, it is building a future where the impossible becomes achievable. Starship Flight 7 is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the unyielding desire to explore the unknown. As the world watches, the launch pad at Starbase stands ready to witness history, a bold step toward a new era of interplanetary exploration and discovery.